guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I am so excited because I was sent in PR by Adept Cosmetics their new palette. This is the Sapphire Selene palette. I love like this faux jade packaging on it, but this little beauty is going to drop on Thursday, February the 26th at 10 a.m. CST. Look at it right here. Is this not gorgeous or what? And look, this shade over here matches the outward packaging. I love that. Adept Cosmetics has a beautiful, beautiful shimmer formula. They always do amazing multi-chromes and duochromes. And I have a feeling we're getting that same great formula that we're used to in this palette. I am not too sure of the price of this palette, but if I can find out, I will have it in the description box. I do have an affiliate code with Adept Cosmetics. I believe my code is Steff. It's either Steff or Steff10. It's going to be whatever the correct one will be running down here. It will be in the description box as well, but that will save you 10% off of your order. And if you use my code, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. I will be creating two complete looks with this palette. If you guys want to see it in action, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I've already primed my lids with the Alter Ego eyeshadow primer. Forgive the little bit of black eyeliner I have smudged here. I just took off my falsies, just getting out of work, but I definitely wanted to film this first look for you guys. So I'm dying to use this shade right here, Minty. So I think I want to have that in the inner corner. And then we'll work with some of these beautiful shimmer shadows. We're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes. 6 mattes, so that's pretty good. That's a good amount to work with. I'm using a Singe Beauty E10 to apply this shade to the inner corner. I'm also going to bring it up a bit kind of in the transition area. Now I'm going to go in with Midnight Reef for the outer corner, and I'm going to use a Singe Beauty E02 brush. These mattes have some really good pigmentation and they're easy to work with. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the Moira glitter primer to the lids. Now I think I'm going to go in with Obsidian ink, and that's going to be the center of the lid. Love the way that turned out, but I am going to touch up the two matte shades on both sides. Okay, let's do something for the lower lash line. I think I want to go in with Soft Periwinkle. I'm using my little Ride or Die BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply the shade. Okay guys, so I think this look is just about complete. I'm not going to do any shimmer in the inner corner, but I'm going to reapply my falsies, touch up this eyeliner a whole bit. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 1 with Sapphire Selene from Adept Cosmetics. These aren't the lashes I was wearing. I was wearing my favorite Shop Miss A lashes in the style Alexis, but sister absconded with one of them and they were just here. Like they were literally on the vanity for like 10 minutes. But needless to say, I'm wearing House of Lashes in the style Juliet, a little bit of the LA Girl Neon Shockwave eyeliner in the shade Vivid on the lower waterline. Also, LA Girl Liquid Black eyeliner on the top lash line. That's about it. Oh, Maybelline, the latest mascara from Maybelline. This one right here, the Body Lash Sensational Mascara. I love this look. I love this color combination. Now, tomorrow for me, in a few seconds for you, I'll get started on look number 2. Okay guys, so let's start working on look number 2 with Sapphire Selene. I'm wearing black and blue to work today. Anything in this palette will go. I think I'm going to use this one, Velvet Petal, on the brow bone, but I can do that towards the end. But I think what I'm going to do is, oh, this purple. You know what? Let me work with Soft Periwinkle and Royal Eclipse. Those will be the two shades that I use for our mats. And then we'll go from there. Taking the shade Soft Periwinkle on a Rephr 01. And I'm starting on the inner corner. And I'm going to be like blending this above the crease, but also into the crease a bit. And this will act as our transition shade. This is a beautiful shade. I love working with a periwinkle like this. You see, I'm kind of just stamping and then blending. Okay, I think we have some beautiful periwinkle color on the lids. The next shade I'm going to go into is Royal Eclipse. Taking the shade Royal Eclipse on a Rephr 03. I'm definitely working this through the crease and then up here on the outer corner. Okay, I think this is looking really good. I think I want to go down to the lower lash line though before I do a shimmer. I guess I'll go, I know we did periwinkle in the last look. You know what, I can do Kona Blue. I'll do that on the lower lash line using my BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Moira eyeshadow primer just for the glitter glue, just for the lids. Okay, now which shimmer shadow are we going to use? This is so pretty here. Let me see if I can get, this is one of those rainbow ones. You can see the flip there. Ooh, that's so cool. So I'm going to just take a swipe here. Go like that. I'm going to put this here. We're going to try and use two. Oh, that's gorgeous. Now let's do something a little lighter. I think I'll do this one down here, UV Bloom. That's like a lavender pink shade. Now for the inner corner, I think I'm going to go into, is it Serpo? Right here? Put that right there. That's the perfect inner corner shade. And these shimmers are just beautiful. They do have a very nice texture to them. They're not completely smooth, but that's fine. I feel like a shimmer like that adheres better to the lid anyway. And it doesn't really accentuate a lot of texture. So I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to take care of the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here is the completed look. I really love the way this look turned out. Same everything from yesterday with the exception of the lower waterline. Another LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner. This one is in the shade Ocean. And FYI, I did find that missing lash. My Shop Miss A lash from the first look, it turned up a few minutes later in the restroom. This room is not close to the restroom. So sister had it on her somewhere. But I will be wear testing this look today. And then when I get home from work, I'll give you guys my final thoughts on the beautiful Adept Cosmetics Sapphire Selene palette. I'll let you know what I think about the formula, the longevity, and whether I think this is worth your, no. How much did we say it was? I don't have a price yet on it, but whether this one's going to be worth your time and your money. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is a 10-hour mark of me trying out for day 2 the Sapphire Selene palette from Adept Cosmetics. I think this eye look looks really good. I got just a little bit of creasing. You can see right there. My eyelids have some creases on them, but just a little bit. It's not terrible, and it could also be maybe the eyeshadow primer. Overall, I've always had a really good experience with Adept Cosmetics. They are usually very shimmer heavy palettes, and this palette does have more shimmers than it does mattes, but they have a really good formula for both, especially their shimmer formula. There's some specialty shadows in here, a really nice mix of shades for Adept Cosmetics. If you've never tried them out, I think this is actually a good palette to start with just because it's kind of a more even split shimmers to mattes than some of their other palettes. I have a few other palettes that they only have 2 mattes or 3 mattes, but I like that this one had 6 mattes. Overall, I would say that Adept Cosmetics did a great job with this one. 2 thumbs up, and thank you so much, Adept Cosmetics, for sending me this in PR. Let me know if you're going to be picking this up on Thursday, February the 26th at 10 a.m. CST. I do have an affiliate code, and it's Steff, and that will save you 10% off of your order. Sound off in the comments down below and let me know which look was your favorite and what you think about this new palette. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, or it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.